Hello, Nova learners. How are you doing today? So, before we continue, there is something I really need to address really first, which is the fact that recently Elementor has made, a recent change, right? In which, if you come here right now and you create a new page and you want to start designing, you are not going to see inner sections. All right, you are not going to see sections. Let's say I create a new page here. All right. Let's say I create a new page. Let's say I create a new home page, right, and I want to start working. And you're not going to see inner section. You're not going to see sections. You are going to be seeing containers. Do you understand? You're going to be seeing containers. And currently, right now in this, lecture, we are learning how to work with sections. Do you understand? Although containers are not very hard to work with, if I show you how to work with containers, you quickly get it actually from your basic knowledge of sections. But I want you to learn section first before we go to containers. Do you understand? So we are going to be upgrading this course to include Elementor containers as well, because it is the new thing in which they just bring about. So you already know how to create this. So let's edit with Elementor. Now, when we edit with Elementor, you are going to notice something. You are going to notice something, right? It is still loading Elementor for us. So yeah, that's just by the way. It's still loading Elementor. Right. So when you get into the Elementor backend, my own is currently black. Yours might be white. It doesn't matter. This is black because I'm using a black theme on my computer generally. So that is why we have it to be black here. So immediately when you get in, I'm still waiting for it to load up. Very good. Okay, very good. So it's going to show you this. Unlock the power of AI. It's going to show you. So these are some of the new things in which they are bringing. You can use AI to create websites here. Do you understand? So, and as I have told you, just click on Control minus to zoom out so that you will see this continue key. Click on continue. And then automatically by default, they've already selected Elementor container for you to start using containers. They've already selected containers for you to start working with instead of sections. Can you see this is container? There's no inner section here that you can use. And when you click on this, these are containers. When you click on this, these are no longer sections. These are containers. All of them, they are containers. If you click on this, you will see they are containers, and the settings that are on them are container settings. Do you understand? So I want to show you how to disable containers and enable sections. All right, so this is what we are going to do. Let's get out of here. Exit. Let's just apply, leave. We're going to come back here later. So leave, and I need you to come over here to Elementor. Can you see on the left side here? Come here to Elementor and click on settings. All right, just click on settings. Then after you click on settings, I want you to come over here to features. Features, click on features. All right, and scroll down. These are the brand new things in which they are bringing to us. Inline fonts, grid container, edit top bar, build with AI. It is still in beta version. They are still working on the landing pages, nested elements. These are some of the awesome things in which they are doing. Right, and if you scroll down under stable, if you scroll down, you're going to see Flexbox container. Come over here. Instead of having it as default, go to inactive. All right, and deactivate it. So once you click on inactive and you deactivate it, right, click on inactive, deactivate, and scroll down and click on save changes. Don't forget to scroll down and click on save changes. Immediately that is done, so go back to your pages, click on pages, right, and go back to edit with Elementor, your home page. Edit your home page with Elementor, and you should be able to use your sections right now. All the lectures, all the instructions in these lectures now are applied. You'll be able to use your inner sections, you'll be able to use your sections. But I have to confess something. Honestly, I have to confess something. Containers are much more useful than inner sections. But it doesn't mean inner sections are not useful. All right? Please, let us learn with inner sections. All right, we are learning with inner sections. Do you understand? Please let us continue to learn with inner sections. When we are done, in fact, towards the ending of this lecture, we are going to have an upgrade where we teach you how to use containers. Containers are simple to use as well, but inner sections are simpler. Container is like an advanced, a little bit advanced, but we are just getting started for God's sake. Don't be hard on yourself in this life. Don't let anybody stress you. Let us start with inner section that we know. If you see the way I'm taking you through this class, I'm taking it step by step, baby steps, baby freaking steps, such that I can hold you by the hand and I can get you from the level 0 that you are right now, to the advanced level in which you need to be. And that is what we need to be doing. All right? Do you hear me? Do you agree with me? So that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, you can continue with your lectures right now. A whole lot of people, they've been complaining about this issue, so I just had to update the course with this particular video. So yeah, enjoy yourselves, everyone. Proceed to the next lecture.